Okay, I'm here now with Josh Pringle. He's the Executive Vice President for CO2 Meter. Saw Morgan at the SMC. She kind of let us know that CO2 Meter is not just for CO2 products, but for all gas products. Talk to us about any big wins for CO2 Meter in 2023, Josh.
So I think one of the biggest ones internally for us was ISO certification. So we got ISO 9001 certification this summer, and we'll get 17025 this year in 2024. But we're excited to be able to have that standard backing us.
Okay, is there anything else coming in 2024 that you want distributors to keep an eye out for from CO2 Meter?
So a couple things. The first big one is they'll see a new business development person. We just hired a brand new person, so they'll be out visiting a lot of our distribution partners. And then next one, we're bringing some new devices to market as well. So
you want to let us know who that is, or not ready to disclose?
His name is Jackson Treston. We're super excited to have him.
All right, keep an eye out for Jackson out there on the road. How about anything that you brought with you here to Hawaii that maybe some of the distributors that weren't able to make the trip to Maui, you'd want to show them?
So I think the number one thing is a welding gas analyzer. It measures the CO2 concentrations in CO2 mixes. It measures them to the AWS spec and tells you whether you're within the spec or not. It's also great to resell to your customers, so you're not sending trucks and personnel out for bad gas calls.
Oh, there you go. Quick update from Josh. Thank you so much for everything that you guys do for us throughout the year. It's always great to see you. I love the energy that you bring, and we'll see you at the next show.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.